Be careful.
What's that?
It's all out there.
Oh, yeah, I know. Oh, sniper!
You can teach a lure to shoot.
What?
You want to teach a lure to shoot?
Sure.
You want to give it a try, Munchkin?
How do you get a pellet in there? You gotta kind of shake it down like that and it'll fall in there.
It's easier if you lean it this way. No, away from you.
Yeah, like that.
You gotta pull it back a little more.
Yeah, if you feel it, go all the way back into the axis and then.
You probably have it in now.
Dad.
There you go. And stay back, baby. Twice. That's a good scope, too.
That's one bullet.
Missed it.
Laura's turn.
Alright, Lori. I'll load it for you first.
Now you got to be real careful with it because this is a very dangerous weapon.
Alright, sweet. Don't pull that trigger yet, okay? Don't touch that yet. Don't touch that yet. Okay. Put that on your shoulder. Alright. I think this is how it works for you. Don't pull it yet. Don't pull it. Wait till we say fire. Look in the scope. Do you see the Coke can?
That's gonna be crazy if she gets it.
Wait till do you see the can? Alright. Get the little crosshair over the can and then pull the trigger.
Again.
Here, ready? Hey!
Woo!
Good shot.
Watch out the dog poop!
Alright, it is.
Alright, it is.
I went under. Can I try one?
Bounce.
Can I try one more time? I don't need it.
Don't grab it from his hand, baby. He's getting it set up for you.
Daddy, are you getting this set up for me? Can I? Are you getting this set up for me?
Yep. Gotta watch out for the dog poop. Alright.
Mama, I can see very well.
Alright. Put your finger on the trigger. Ready?
Yes.
So you aim it at the can. Do you see the can? Good shot, She hit it? No way.
Yeah, she pulled it on her own.
Can I have a try?
I heard it go.
Yeah.
You hit the can?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Well,
Laura did better than you did. Hey,
I heard it go.
Yay,
Good shot, baby girl. That's pretty cool. Alright, come on, close.
I stay open when you do that.
When I pull the trigger?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, if you close your eyes, you lose the target.
I close my eyes.
Is it my turn?
Yes, ma'am.
That's all you.
Alright, our last shot, Lori. This is your last shot. Put your finger on the trigger. Wait, can you see the can?
Yeah.
Now move it to where the little X is on the can.
Yeah, I get it.
Oh, you didn't hit it that time. That was a good shot.
Mom, I didn't hit it that time, but
Watch out.
that was a good shot.
It was a good shot. Watch out for the doggy poop.